Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make a zip file on Windows 10. Zip files are a great way to compress data, reduce file size, and make sharing easier. To get started, open File Explorer. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or by searching for File Explorer in the Start menu. Next, choose the file or folder you want to zip. Right-click on it to bring up the context menu. If you want to compress multiple files at once, hold down the Control key and click on each file or folder you'd like to include. Once your selection is ready, right-click, hover over the option that says Send to, and then select Compress Zipped Folder. Windows will instantly create a zip file in the same location as your original files. You can rename the new zip file by right-clicking on it, selecting Rename, and typing in the name you prefer. And that's all it takes to create a zip file in Windows 10. Using zip files helps keep your documents organized, save storage space, and makes sharing quick and simple. For more tips like this, be sure to check out my other tutorials.